students, welcome to the YouTube channel of your school. I am Ekta ma'am presenting the second part of your first chapter of the course, which is the financial statement. In the previous lecture, we have done a quick revision of accounting, its rules, its users and its objective. I hope you found that video helpful. Now let's get started with the topic, which is the financial statement. Please watch this video till the end. You will be getting necessary notes in the end of the video. Now, what is the meaning of financial statement? They are the reports which tells us the profitability and the financial position of a business. These statements or these records, or you can say final accounts, are prepared by a final accountant in a company in the end of a financial year. The main objective of preparing these financial statements is to analyze the profitability and the fair view or the fair position of a business to know that the business is incurring losses or gaining profits. Now, as we move forward, we come to know that these statements include two types of statements, means these are subdivided into two parts. The first one is the income statement and the second one is the statement of financial position. The first one conveys two accounts, which are the trading account and the profit and loss account, and the second part, in the second part, the balance sheet is made. Thus, we can conclude that in financial statement, three accounts are prepared. First one is the trading account, second one is the profit and loss account, and third one is the balance sheet. Now we come to our first account, which is the trading account. In this, all the expenses and incomes which are related to factory are recorded. All the expenses are recorded on the debit side and all the incomes are recorded on the credit side. This account helps in ascertaining the gross profit or the gross loss. Gross profit is ascertained on the debit side and the gross loss is ascertained on the credit side. The main headings or the items which are recorded in the trading account are divided into two sides, which is the debit side and the credit side. First, we will go through the items which are to be recorded on the debit side. The first one is the opening stock, second, purchases and returns, third, the direct expenses, fourth, wages, fifth, carriage, sixth, royalty, and the other expenses are also recorded like manufacturing expenses, dock charges, import duties, or octroi. These are all recorded on the debit side. What comes on the credit side of the trading account? First one is the sales and returns, and the second one is the closing stock. After putting all these items in the trading account, we can analyze or we can take out the gross profit or the gross loss. That's all for today. I hope you did like this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of your school and please make the necessary notes given at the end of this video. Thank you.